got here? More heavy stuff.
More heavy stuff.
Yeah, I got more of the box over there, this stuff too. I think all the boxes are some crap.
How long have you been waiting to open these?
Well, it was last year, but that ain't that far ago.
It's a month.
Let's see here. I don't see a date on this thing. Yeah, a little while. Yeah, I don't see a date. 27? What year is this?
It took me a second. It's not 27.
Looks like it says 12/31 or 12/01. 31. 12/31.
All right, so a month.
I don't know if I believe that. So.
I do.
Okay.
I believe it.
Fancy packaging.
It is fancy.
Once again, it protects the cylinder so it don't get damaged.
Yeah.
Oops.
Oh no.
It's protected enough though. See, I wrapped the whole thing, not just around the edge. The cylinder is still floating up and down, bouncing around.
Yeah. Clearly.
Yeah, failure in shipping. I don't know what that's in the inside all about. Sure don't need that.
Protects the inside.
Yeah. Can protect that one. It's right where you can see it too. At least this one up high you can fix easy.
Yeah.
That one's not hard to fix. A little bit of braze on there. You can make that a functional fan pretty quickly. Or just weld the damn thing up and machine it almost as quick. It's just about as easy. Yep. That's what happens. You bounce on a thin fin, it breaks it. That's where you wrap the whole cylinder.
So sad.
So it's a thick flange, 78 cylinder, so it's an 80-inch casting. But what's the bore?
Couldn't tell you.
It's an 83 lug over here. Unmachined lug. That's 83.
Yeah.
83, 84. That failed attempt at putting oil lines and stuff in there for breathing.
Didn't work out.
Didn't work. They plugged it all up, quit using it. You don't look too big. 20. Of course, I don't trust this mic. Easy measures big, not small. So. 16. That's weird. It's like a 15 over. Kind of weird size. You know, they made weird pistons too. Weisco used to make half-size pistons, but he gets on Sportsters. So these might clean at 20.
That face. I missed the face.
Feel that?
Is it bad? Oh. Yeah, I feel it right there.
Cylinder's pretty rough. Is that just corroded over there? Yeah, a little bit of corrosion.
Yeah.
The bore is not real smooth. It's got a lip in it. Not too much at the bottom though.
No.
But it's in a little bit in there, but not much. And they might clean at 20. If not, they're 30. No biggie. Good enough for a beater bike. So they'll work. Except you got a broken fin.
Super glue it back on.
Yeah. I wouldn't worry about it. It's not going to make any difference how it runs, I know that. Alright, that's it for that.